Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So while installing this update, that is KB5062660, or after installing this update, if your Wi-Fi is not working, so the Wi-Fi option is gone from here, and when you go to device manager, under display adapter, you see a yellow triangle in front of here. You can see I was updating this update, and I saw this Wi-Fi stopped working, and I see a yellow triangle. So if you're facing this problem, in that case, first of all, open Windows settings, and then you have to pause the update. Go to Windows update, and over here you will see pause update option. So hit pause update. In my case, I've already paused it. So here you will see pause option. So hit pause, and this process will take some time. And once the pause is done, do not resume the update. Just pause the update. And once you pause the update, then open device manager. Now once you open device manager, you make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager, expand network adapter. Under network adapter, you will see your Wi-Fi adapter over here. In my case, it's Intel Wi-Fi 6. Whichever is your Wi-Fi adapter, just make a right click on your Wi-Fi adapter. I fixed my problem, so I'm telling you how to do it. So make a right click on the Wi-Fi adapter which has the yellow triangle. Make a right click, and then you have to click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall. Now before you uninstall, let me inform you, when you uninstall it, make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password, because when you restart the computer, when you try to connect, it will be asking for your Wi-Fi password. So uninstall it, and after you uninstall it, restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. After the system restart, you can open device manager once again, and then your Wi-Fi adapter should be there. Now when you expand network adapter, you will see a Wi-Fi adapter over here. Now again, if you see yellow triangle, you might have to restart your computer 2-3 times. In my case, I have to restart my computer 2 times. Then I was able to see my Wi-Fi adapter. Now this time, when you try to connect to your Wi-Fi, it will be asking for your password, your Wi-Fi password. So once you enter your Wi-Fi password, now you should be able to log in. And after you log in, do not update right now. Don't update it. Go to Windows update. Make sure update is paused. In my case, I have already paused it. So hit pause and do not resume it. In future, if you want to install future updates, maybe 1 week, 2 week, when Microsoft solves this problem, you can install the future updates later on. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.